11 free wooden step stool plans. This step stool from Anna White is very easy to build. The stool is 16 inches wide, stands around 8 inches off the ground, and is just over 9 inches deep. Here's a free plan for a simple step stool from Build Something. It has 2 steps and a straightforward design. It's a great design for kids and works perfectly in the kitchen, letting them reach the counters and kitchen island. The step stool plan from My Outdoor Plans is much like some of the other easier to build stools from this list because the instructions are clear and the pictures are very easy to follow. Her tool belt took the challenge of building something with just one board, and she came up with this fabulous step stool that would look great in any home. This modern step stool has a sleek design that will help you reach upper cabinets and is a great place to take a seat. More Like Home has lots of DIY projects, and most all of them, including this step stool plan, are easy to follow because they include color-coded illustrations to assist in building. This step stool is one of the easiest to build, and cheapest, stools in this whole list. It should cost just a few dollars to put together. I like this free step stool plan from Woodworking for Mere Mortals because there's a cutting guide you can print off to make the sides look exactly like the ones in the plan. Here's another step stool plan from Anna White. With 2 steps and a rugged feel, this vintage-style step stool stands a little taller off the ground at 1 foot. Anna White also has a similar 2-step step stool with a different base design that's a foot tall that you can check out, plus a smaller one with built-in storage. Popular mechanics is this step stool plan that's a step stool turn chair. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.